Yo, what it is, man? This is your boy Hood, man. Hey, check it. This is right before we actually get ready to jump into the next part. I actually want you to be able to go ahead and download it. And just in case, if some kind of way you did not know how to go download Unreal, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to get to it. So, the first thing that you will want to do is basically go download this Unreal launcher. So like if you got like Fortnite or one of them games already, you probably already have it. And it's just connected right there on the end, which is gonna be Unreal Engine. So it's right there for you. And once you click on Unreal Engine, you should see Unreal or UE5 on the end. They got four, but I'm gonna click on this five. And when you click on it, you will see this page right here. You'll want to go ahead and hit this download early access just to go ahead and get started. And once you have that fully downloaded, we're going to click on the UE5 early access, which will basically open up this browser right here, the Unreal Project browser. What we're going to choose is games. And once you click on games, what you're going to notice is there's a couple of different templates in here of different game types that you can actually make, like virtual reality if you ever want to get there, first person, top down games, maybe a puzzle. But what we're going to just focus on today is just third person. So what I want you to do is make sure you click on third person, and then when after you click on third person, make sure you come down here and choose blueprint. We're going to focus on this desktop, maximum quality, and make sure you choose starter content. This will just make sure that we have a couple of different what is called assets, right? Putting that into the game engine, so we'll be able to just manipulate those and play with those inside of the game engine. And then after you do that, you can then come down here and go ahead and choose and put in your name, whatever the name of your project. You can call it like test, first project, whatever you want to call it. Project, get it in there. Misspell that. First project, and then just go ahead and hit create. And then I'll see you in the next video so we can get started. Hello.